everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Good. I'm back again with another tutorial. Two palette from BH Cosmetics and one palette from Make Up Revolution. So let's get to work. So my first shade is this orange color, then I'll apply it. And my brush is from BH Cosmetics, wherever. So I'm going to take this dark brown, then I'll also apply it into my crease. I'll work my way out to my outer corner. The same palette, I'm going to take this lilac color, I'll apply it the same area. Make Up Revolution Carmi palette, I'll be taking this shade called You Do You. Each time I remember this name, is funny. You Do You. Then I'm using pencil brush to apply it on my crease. So guys, from the Carmi palette, I took dark side, which is color black. I apply it into my outer corner to give me a bit dark effect. Does that make sense? So I'm going to cut my crease now. So I'll be cutting my crease with Rimmel concealer. I love this concealer, and I love using it to cut my crease. So back to the Carmi palette, I'll be taking You Do You. I'll just tap and use it to blend the edges of this concealer. So for the crease, I'll be taking Integrity. I love that word, Integrity. So I'll be taking Integrity, then I'll apply it to my crease, to my cut crease. The Integrity shade is olive, shimmery olive. So the top palette, Color Festival by BH Cosmetics. I'll be taking Center Stage, is a shimmery olive shade also. Then I'll just tap right on top the first shade. To finish the rest of the face, so I use Wet n Wild concealer to hide any blemishes or dark circle under my eye. Then I'm going to set the concealer with banana powder. For my blush and contour, I'll be using Slate palette. So for my big powder, for my big bronze powder, I'll be using Milani big powder. Make Up Revolution, and I'll be taking this shade here. So to line my lip, I'll be using my jumbo pencil, then follow Boohoo liquid lipstick. Finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you so much, and